Bats can serve as reservoirs for various diseases that can be transmitted to humans. While not all of these diseases are highly deadly, some of them can be quite lethal. Here are 5 deadly diseases that are known to be spread from bats to humans. Ebola virus disease. Bats, particularly fruit bats, are considered natural hosts for the Ebola virus. Human outbreaks often occur when people come into contact with bats or other animals that have been infected by bats. Ebola is a highly deadly disease, with a fatality rate that can exceed 50%. Nipah virus infection. Fruit bats are also the natural reservoirs for the Nipah virus. Human infections usually result from close contact with infected bats or consumption of fruits contaminated with bat saliva or urine. Nipah virus infection can lead to severe encephalitis with a high mortality rate. Marburg virus disease. Marburg virus, similar to Ebola, is thought to originate from bats. It causes a severe and often fatal hemorrhagic fever in humans. Close contact with bats or their secretions is the likely mode of transmission. SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome. The initial outbreak of SARS in 2002 to 2003 was linked to the zoonotic transmission of a coronavirus from bats to humans. This disease can cause severe respiratory symptoms and has a mortality rate of about 10%. Rabies. Bats are known to be a source of rabies transmission to humans. While rabies is almost always fatal once symptoms appear, post-exposure prophylaxis, PP, can prevent the disease if administered promptly after a potential exposure to the virus. However, once clinical symptoms develop, the disease is almost always deadly.